Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. How do you know if the iPhone display is original or copy? So in today's video, I will show you how to check if the iPhone display is original or copy. You don't need any settings or any app to check whether iPhone display is copy or original. So we need to go to Control Center to check if the display of iPhone is copy or original. After going to Control Center, we will see the brightness option. Long press on brightness. After long press, we can see the following three options. On is dark mode, then night shift and true tone. If true tone is on your phone, then you must understand that your phone display is original and the display of the phone has not been changed yet. One thing to keep in mind is that those who are using iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S, 6 or 7 model iPhones do not have this true tone option in brightness. That means their phone doesn't support true tone, and that doesn't mean changing their phone's display. Starting from iPhone 8 to the upper models, you will get this true tone option. You will also find this true tone option in the settings. Go to settings, scroll down, click on display and brightness. Here is the true tone option. If you turn on this true tone option, the brightness will gradually decrease when you use the phone at night. Again, if you use the phone in strong sunlight, your brightness will gradually increase. So, this way you can easily understand whether your iPhone display is original or copied. When we want to buy a second-hand iPhone, many people have a question whether the display of our phone is original or copied. If the display of the phone is changed, then the true tone option will not work. When you go to buy a new iPhone from 8 to upper models, check if the true tone option is available and see if it works automatically in the dark. So, this was today's video. Hope you understand how you can check whether the phone display is original or copy. Subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel to get more new iPhone videos like this. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.